Now we will understand all the assignment operators in the next program. So in the next program, this program I think everyone knows this, very simple program for all the arithmetic operators. Okay, so let me go for the new program. Right click, new class file, take a class file. Now I am going for arithmetic assignment operator. Assignment operator we already know that is equals to, we will give arithmetic assignment operators, arithmetic assignment operators. So I will give arithmetic assignment, click on finish. Now I want to copy this particular code from here, from this particular file, and put this particular code here. Every time I don't need to write public static void main. I need to take, I am not going to use scanner right now. I will take some variables like a comma b comma c comma d comma e comma f g, take like this. I take this. How to assign a value? We know that a equals to 10, b equals to 20, c equals to 30. This is assignment. How I am going to assign the values? C equals to 30, d equals to 40, e equals to 50, okay, f equals to 60, g equals to 70. Like this, I given some values. I assigning directly. This is known as static assignment. Previous one is dynamic. That means we are storing the number while program is under running. This is static. Static means the values will not be changed until and unless we make a logic. So first and foremost thing, I am going to use system.out.println. I want to display all the values. A equals to plus a value, plus I want the b value. B equals to is a string, plus concat with the b, plus I want the c value also, plus this is a string, concat. C equals to plus c. Okay, similarly we are going to display all the values a b c, similarly d e f. So I can change here. D value will be there in the d variable, this is string. E equals to, e value will be there in e, f value will be there in f, as well as we can also put the last value, that is g value also. G equals to plus g, plus g, see here, okay, plus g. So we stored, we display all the values. I am removing these statements right now. Assignment means what is the output of this particular program if I execute it like this. Students, simple. No, what is the output of this particular program? Only I use the assignment operator here. Yes, yes, right answer. So let me see. Right click and run as Java application. So if you click on Java application, so we will get all the values a b c e f g, all the values we get. That is a value is 10, b value 20, c 30, d 40, e 50, f 60, like this. Now I am going to use the assignment, arithmetic assignment operators. Arithmetic operators we already understand in the previous program. Now we are going to understand arithmetic assignment operator. Now I am writing b plus equals to a. This is addition assignment. This is known as addition assignment. I put on the another comment line. This is the comment, addition assignment. Okay, similarly C minus equals to A. This is subtraction assignment. Similarly, I will go for D multiplication equals to A. This is known as multiplication assignment. E division equals to A. This is quotient assignment, nothing but divisional assignment. Next, F modulus equals to A. This is the final thing, that is the remainder assignment. So after that, if you print all the values, what is the output, students? So I am telling you, after this, once again I am printing all the values. What is the output? Tell me, students. Tell me all the values.
The 21, 29, 40.
Please write in the chat box, students, what the values you can get. Please write all the values. First I am printing A, B, C, D, E, F, G. That means it is going to print 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. After that, I make some operation. That is addition assignment, subtraction assignment, like this I performed. After that, what is the values? Students, P30. Similarly, one at a time you can write. Students, Vandana. You can give in the chat box the values. Other people, only Karthik is given. Monica is given 21, 29, 40, 50, 60. Karthik is giving 20, 401. Okay. Any other person? Please respond. What is the values of A, B, C, D, E, F? Yes, Karthik, right answer. Let me go and understand what is the meaning of this one. That means B plus equals to A. What is the meaning of this one is, what is the meaning of this one is B equals to B plus A. Okay, so this plus will go here. So B equals to B plus A. What is the value of B? B is 20. Okay, what is the A value? A is 10. So 10 plus 20, that will be stored in B. Actually B value is 20 previously. Now it is 20 plus 10, that is 30. 30 will be assigned to B. Next, you will go for C. C equals to C minus A. C minus A. That is the meaning of that particular statement. So what is a C? What is a C value? C value is 30. Okay, and what is the A value? A value is 10. 30 minus 10. What is the value? 30 minus 10 is 20. So C value becomes 20. Okay, I'm writing. Now what is here? B value becomes 30 here. C value becomes 20 here. Okay, next, D value. What is the meaning of this? D means D equals to D into A. That is the meaning of that. So what happened? So D means D value is 40. And what is the A value? A value is 10. So 40 into 10 is 400. So D becomes 400. D becomes 400. Next, E divided by equals to A. E divided by equals to A. That means E equals to E divided by A. Then what happened? So what is the E value? 50. What is the A value? 10. So 10 is divided by 50. What is the coefficient? 10 5 is 50. Coefficient is 5 and remainder is 0. So what is the coefficient value? The coefficient value is 5. The coefficient value is 5. So the answer, sorry, what is the coefficient value? 10 5 is the 50. So 5 is the answer. Next. Next is F. F means F equals to F modulus A. That is the meaning of that. That means F is, what is F value? 60. And what is the A value? 10. 10 is divided with 60 is 10 is divided with 60. 10 6 is 60. What is the remainder? The remainder will become 0. That means the 0 is assigned to F. So F becomes 0. This is the process. Please save it and let me execute the program. A value is not going to change, that is 10 only. We changed this B, C, D, E, F only. G value is also not changed in this particular program. G value becomes 70 only. So let me right click on my window and run Java application. Then we will get the answer after and before. Before A value is 10, 20, C 30, D 40, E 50, F 60 and G 70. After that A value is 10, B 30, C 20, D 400, E 5, F 0, G 70. Okay, please remember this type of operators you are going to use in so many areas, so many conditions like this. So many times we are going to use this type of operators. These operators are known as arithmetic assignment operators.